You know, in celebration of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream of equity, justice, and unity, you are in for a treat as we shine a spotlight on the 45th annual Keeping the Dream Alive Assembly at the historic, magnificent City Honor School. Greetings. I'm Superintendent Dr. Tanja Williams-Knight, and today's episode is the perfect way to commemorate and kick off Black History Month, which begins on Saturday. So, let's watch and hear from Congressman Tim Kennedy, Principal Dr. Bill Cressy, and the whole City Honors community as they celebrated the incredible dream and call to action that Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. taught all of us.
As with 44 years in the past, City Honors gathers to ensure that the courageous life of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. is appropriately remembered and that his work is continued. The lasting power of this assembly is a tribute to its visionary founder, Mrs. Irene McVeigh, and to the City Honors community that stands so strongly behind the ideals of Dr. King. Although Mrs. McVeigh is no longer with us in person, her spirit is certainly with us here today. This assembly continues to excite the next generation of young people to carry on Doctor's efforts, and that is exactly what she intended.
This event has made a way for us to celebrate the unique cultures that make up our school and community. To our wonderful participants who shared their heritage with us today, thank you for helping us make this event lively.
Where I come from, I'm very proud of where I come from and what I've earned. And I share that because I want our children to know that you can do anything. And it does start with a dream, with a vision. And then as the young men shared today, there's a call to action. And at some point, you become woke. You become woke, and the work has to begin. Not one of us, not a single one of us is perfect. And so be slow to judge others. Give others a little grace. And finally, one way that we can keep the dream alive, and especially our children, is to know and understand that your voice is powerful. Your voice is powerful. Use it to uplift and to encourage fairness, equity, belonging, inclusiveness, and equality. So today, I know that his birthday was really January 15th, but I say to the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., happy birthday to you. And thank you for having
Let America be the dream the dreamers dreamed. Let it be that great, strong land of love, where anarchies unite, or tyrants scheme, that any man be crushed by one above.
You know, today we gather to celebrate the life and legacy of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., a man whose vision of equality, justice, and unity reshaped the moral conscience of our nation and the entire world. Thank you for the work that you're doing in our community, in this great institution of City Honors, in our incredible city of good neighbors, and in the greatest country in the history of the world, the United States of America. It is your belief in a brighter future and your commitment to keeping Dr. King's dream alive that is going to make sure that we reach our highest potential into the future. Thank you for making me a part of this historic and honored ceremony. I am incredibly grateful to be a part of it. Go Centaurs!
just saw, the Buffalo Public Schools are living out Dr. King's vision of an inclusive society where everyone has an equal opportunity and where character transcends skin color. We got so many great things happening in the Buffalo Public Schools and in the city of Buffalo. Bills are in the playoffs, a wonderful program at City Honor School commemorating the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s vision for equity, and kicking off Black History Month. Lots of good things happening. Well, if you enjoyed this episode, please hit the share button. It will really help us out. And for more amazing content from the Buffalo Public Schools, because you know we do amazing stuff all the time, don't forget to visit our other social media outlets. Peace.